हमारे साथ मौजूद है यूपीएससी कैंडिडेट काजल शेरावत। तो चलिए जानते हैं आखिर वो इंटरव्यू राउंड के लिए किस तरह प्रिपरेशन कर रही हैं। मैम, ये आपका कौन सा अटैम्प्ट है?
This is my second attempt, first mains and first interview.
तो सेकंड अटैम्प्ट में ही आपने इतनी रिमार्केबल सक्सेस अचीव की है, तो आपकी स्ट्रेटजीज क्या रही?
Sir, ma'am, basically the very important thing that I found here is to remain consistent. You have to, I think you should study daily, be it lesser number of hours, but that is the most important part. And the other thing is to practice more and more, then you will be able to get through it.
प्रीलिम्स के लिए आपकी स्ट्रेटजीज क्या रही थी? प्रीलिम्स जैसे ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उसमें, तो उसके लिए आपने कैसे प्रिपरेशन की?
Number of times revision should be quite good, and then you should attempt certain mock test. Not many, but yes. But the most important thing that I found was the past year papers. You should analyze it thoroughly. They are the key to prelims, so that is the most important thing.
मेंस में आंसर राइटिंग के लिए आपने अपनी आंसर राइटिंग स्किल्स को कैसे इम्प्रूव किया?
Practice is the key, nothing else. You have to do certain value additions only. What you have read in prelims, that is very useful in mains as well. Other than that, you have to prepare some kind of value addition from newspapers, from various other sources, be it in the form of data or some kind of diagram. So in this way, that will help you make your answer look different than others.
आपका ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट?
Economics.
ओके, आपने कहीं से कोचिंग ली या फिर सेल्फ स्टडी?
कोचिंग लिया था.
कि आपने कहाँ से कोचिंग ली?
नेक्स्ट IAS से किया था ऑप्शनल, एंड GS किया था प्लूटिस से.
तो कोचिंग की कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस आपको लगी प्रिपरेशन में?
Coaching basically helps you know the basic things of what you have to study, how you should go about it. But at the end of the day, it is majorly about self-study only. If you don't study, you join any coaching, you will not be able to get through it. So you have to go for self-study. That is the most important thing over here.
सिविल सर्विसेज को क्यों आपने एज आपका करियर चूज किया?
Ma'am, usually what options do we have? Since I was from commerce background, so either you can go for banking or corporate sector or the civil services. So basically, I don't want that monotonous job. I wanted a kind of job which is more diverse, which provides me different kinds of challenges daily, which will make me connect with the real life people and real life problems. So that was the reason that I opted for civil services.
इंटरव्यू राउंड के लिए अब आप कैसे प्रिपरेशन कर रही हैं?
I am preparing my DAV thoroughly along with current affairs and economics optional. These are the areas that I'm currently focusing upon.
थैंक यू सो मच, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
Thank you, ma'am.